So I'm trying to go to IKEA today, and right now I'm at Patong Beach, which is like on the west side of Phuket. But I would like to go to Patong Town, and then from Patong Town I think I'll take a taxi or motorcycle or something. But I'm gonna see how much these song tails are, but let me go to this ATM first. So I asked two different people, they're like taxi drivers, and their taxi looks like Songtao, but they're actually just regular taxis. And I asked them, like, can I go to Old Patong, or not Old Patong, but Phuket Town? They're like 500 baht. 500 baht. I think not. So I'm gonna go and find this Songtao. I have to go to the police box station down near the beach, so we'll see. So basically I was standing at the police station, which is like one of the stops for some of the buses. The thing is I can't tell which ones are taxis and which ones are buses. สีอะไรคะสีฟ้า Okay ค่ะ Okay ขอบคุณค่ะ So this guy is telling me that I should stand over here and wait for the blue cars to come by, because those ones are the Songtail. So I'm just gonna be patient because I guess the red ones are taxis. But the taxis are like 500 baht. 500 baht, you're out of your mind. Out of your mind. After doing some light Googling, the Songtao looks a lot more like a bus than like the small cars, or not the small cars, but like a car. Whereas in Bangkok, they look more car-like. They look very similar to the taxis here. So like that's what they kind of look like in Bangkok. Whereas here, apparently it looks like a bus. So that's why the guy was telling me it's like bigger and it's blue. So now I know what to look for. And my eye is open. I really have no place to be. So that's why today is pretty convenient for me to just wait. I don't think there's a schedule. You just gotta see it and then flag it down when you do see it. I'm thankful this guy was telling me, because like the other guys I was like asking, they're like, oh, there is no Songtao. There is no Songtao, like you're lying to my face. This is the airport bus. You can go to the airport for 100 baht with that bus, but that is not the Songtao I'm looking for. Just when you think you've given up hope, you see a blue bus coming your way. That's the Songtao. Do I know how much this Songtao is gonna cost me? No. But I'm gonna get on it, and it's gonna be less than 500 baht. I know that's for sure. I'm trying to look for my mask because I really would not like to be in an enclosed bus with people with my mask off, but we'll see. Coming very slowly but surely. So basically our Songtao dropped us off, and now I have to get a taxi or get a Grab or something to take me to the IKEA. I will just go to the IKEA, get something to eat, and then I'll come back to Patong because I think that's Old Town over there. And then I'll head back at around 5 to go to the airport area or go to the place where I'm staying. So I'm going with a Grab motorbike because it's the cheapest option. I'm gonna hope that this guy has an extra helmet because 20 hours on a bike with no helmet is kind of scary. But I'm gonna get there and it'll be okay. This IKEA restaurant is very tiny, but I got some Swedish meatballs, I got some honey lemon soda, and I got the oatmeal cranberry cookie. I am excited to eat though because I did not eat breakfast yet. So this is my first meal of the day. Hope it's delish. But let's talk about how I got on the wrong motorcycle. And so like I'm waiting where the Grab was supposed to pick me up, and the motorcycle pulled right up to me and he was like, gave me a helmet, and I got back on. And then he was not back on, but I got on, and then he was like, can you show me your phone? Can you show me your app? Because like my phone's not working. That was already giving red flag. I was like, wait. How is your phone not working? And then my Grab driver is calling me. And he only took me like a couple of meters up the street. But I was like, stop this car. I know how to say stop. I was like, yeah. And he's like, okay. So I got off. And I literally didn't even say anything to him. So I started, what the heck? And then I had to call my Grab driver and tell him where I was, and then he picked me up. But it was fine. But it was like a legitimate like driver. He was a legitimate motorcycle man, but like he wasn't a Grab motorcycle man, and he wasn't my Grab driver. So that was annoying. But that just, I guess, be aware of that. It's kind of like taxi coming to pick you up when you already ordered an Uber or a Grab for whatever reason. But yeah. Honey lemon soda and a cranberry oat cookie. So I'm gonna start eating this first. I'm quite hungry, so I hope this is good. I even need a spoon, right? It's alright. I mean, it tastes like how it's supposed to. It's not piping hot. But it's good. It gave me a lot of lingonberry sauce, which I like. So I have the honey lemon soda. It's delicious. One more sip. Let me get the cookie in while I'm here. The cookie is it's moister than I thought it was going to be. It's good. It's a cranberry oat and cranberry cookie. Really good. Quite frankly, everything was good. I'm too full to eat anything else, so I think I'll just, maybe I'll get some ice cream. I'm gonna get some ice cream. Okay. I got my ice cream from the ice cream machine. I had to stop recording because I ran out of storage on my phone. But I'm sitting outside, enjoying my ice cream, waiting for my motorcycle man to come back and pick me up and take me back to Old Town. Okay, literally such a long day, but I'm going to go get my bag and I'm going to hop right onto the airport bus for 100 baht. And it says that my hostel is a 5-minute walk from the airport, so in theory I'll be able to just walk to my place from the airport. I hate when people talk to me when I'm doing something, and my hair looks crazy because the wind was blowing so hard. on the bus. It's so nice when the sun is going down. It's like an hour or so ride to the airport. I'll get there around 6, check into my room, probably go to 7-Eleven for dinner if there's no good food places around. And then that'll be the end of my time in Phuket before I catch my flight tomorrow. So this is the police station where I will catch my bus to the airport. And I'll just kind of wait here. I'm actually gonna go sit over there, but yeah. So my driver is gonna take me to where my hotel is, so I don't have to walk or pay for a Grab or something. So I have my mama. I put everything in there. I got some melon milk. I've got a corn cheese toasty. And I got these I used to eat literally every day after school. And it's dumplings. And they give you a little sauce packet as well. But hopefully it's good. So these are the dumplings. There's like the sauce pack. It's like a little vinegar. These taste exactly how I remember them. I mean, they dropped on the table. I don't want to keep that. I'm walking to the airport so I can catch my flight.
He left yesterday, so I